Hello guys, I'm making this video with the purpose of showing you what to do in case you need to show your work on a particular problem inside of your homework or maybe even on a test. All right, so I'm here on one of the questions inside of one of the practice sets for this class, and you'll notice as I read the directions here, it says make sure you show your work on this problem by submitting a picture using the Add Work button below. So you need to make sure you read the directions and also watch out for this box right here that says Add Work. So if a question has instructions that say that and has this box down here, not only do you need to fill out the correct answer for this problem, you also need to show me your work, whether it is a graph or whether it's just a simple explanation of what you did, or if it's asking for a picture of your work. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on this Add Work button here, and it brings up this white box. It brings up this white box, and this is where you're going to submit your work. If it's the kind of question that's just asking for a verbal explanation of what you did, then you can just begin typing in here. You know, I used order of operations, blah, 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 right? And put your explanation in there in your own words and just describe what you did, right? So nothing too hard there. You would just type and then you would answer the question. And this is not the correct answer for that one, by the way, but I'm just demonstrating. So, you know, let's say you submit your answer, you give your explanation, you click submit. Now, if I specifically ask for a picture of your work, you're going to want to do something a little bit different. And that would be done about right here. It says insert edit image. So you're looking at this thing that looks like a picture. You're going to click that, and then it's going to take you to this where it says source. You're going to come over here to the right, click on the folder, and then choose file. And you're going to go to wherever you have the picture you took of your work stored, and you're going to hit open, upload. Wait a couple seconds, be patient. There we go. And then we're going to hit OK. And it'll throw a picture of my work in there. And I'll scroll down so you can see what it looks like. I did a problem similar to this, just, you know, with a pen and paper. And so you see I wrote out the original problem. I started doing it, so that was my first step. And then there was my second step, and then I arrived at my final answer. So I will be able to see all of that when you submit a picture just like that. Nothing fancy, just pen and paper. Just show me what you did. That's all you got to do. As far as taking the picture, you can use the camera that's on your Chromebook to take the picture, or you can use your phone to take the picture and just move the picture from your phone to your Google Drive or your Chromebook so that you can upload it to MyOpenMath. You could also open MyOpenMath on your phone and just upload it directly from your phone on the MyOpenMath website on your phone. So you have a couple of options for doing that. All right. The other scenario, let me delete this real quick, is I might ask you to upload a graph or something of that nature. This is Algebra 1, so we are going to be doing graphs, and sometimes I want to see that you know how to graph a line using some form of technology, such as a calculator or Desmos or something of that nature. Okay, so if that's the case, you're going to have to use the screen capture feature on your Google Chromebook, or you can do the graph by hand and take a picture of it with your phone. There's a lot of options, but if you want to use something like Desmos, you're going to want to use the screen rip feature. All right, if you're not sure how to do that with your Chromebook, check out the other video right below this one. It's a 1-minute video that shows you exactly how to do that. Okay. So I'm going to show you what that looks like here on my computer. I'm using a PC, so if you're using a PC, this will be more helpful. If you're using a Chromebook, like I said, you want to check out that other 1-minute video right below this one to see how you screen rip. Okay, so let's say this was a problem, hypothetically, that needed a graph to be shown. I'm going to go to Desmos, okay, and I'm gonna type in whatever I need to type in to get my line. So over here I typed in y equals 3x plus 2. You might not be graphing a line. I'm just saying this is just a demonstration. So for this demonstration, I'm graphing this line. And then I'm going to use a screen ripping tool, whatever you've got, to capture this part of the screen right here. All right, so when you do this on the Chromebook, it'll look very much the same. You'll get a crosshair, and then you just take the crosshair and drag it across, making sure that you capture the part of the screen that you want to share. Okay, so I want to get this part of the screen that looks good, so I'm going to let it go. it takes a picture of that part of the screen, and then I'm going to hit copy, and I'm going to come back over here to my Open Math and just paste that picture in with the graph. Okay, and I'll be able to see that graph when you click submit. Alright guys, that should cover most scenarios. If you have specific questions or difficulties going on with that, make sure you contact me or Mr. Halden for help. Otherwise, have a great day.